So you see, these are the parts of a circle. Let's come to find the circumference or perimeter of this circle. So how we will find the perimeter of a circle? So the formula for finding the circumference or perimeter of a circle is pi equals to circumference, okay, pi equals to circumference divided diameter, okay. So here I have said you already, the formula of diameter is 2 into radius, which is 2r, d equals to 2r now. So here what it will happen, so that implies pi equals to circumference, let you take as capital C to circumference divided by d. Here diameter is equals to 2r, so instead of diameter we will write 2r, okay. So that implies what you need here, we have to find circumference which is capital C. So that implies C equals to 2 pi r, okay, 2 pi r. So the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, okay. Now similarly area, you remember area of a circle equals to pi r square, okay. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, area of the circle is pi r square. You have to remember these two formulas, okay. This is the introduction of a circle. So see, today's first question is find the area of a circle. What we have to find? The area of this circle, what is given? Whose circumference is 22 cm. So here your circumference is given already 22 cm. So first you have to see what is given in the question. What given? Circumference is 22 cm. Whose circumference? Circle circumference. So first write given circumference equals to 22 cm, okay. Here what is asking in the question? Find the area. So here you have to bring area, okay. So first what is given? Circumference. What is the formula for circumference of a circle? We already know that it is 2 pi r. So according to question, 2 pi r equals to how much? 22 cm. 22 cm, okay. So that implies here you see 2 into pi. We know pi has two values. One is, you note here, pi equals to one value is 22 divided by 7, or another one is 3.14. So here we will use 22 divided by 7. So if you will divide 7 divided 22, then you will get 3.14. So here we will put 22 divided by 7. So here you see pi. Pi means here we have to put 22 divided by 7, okay, into here what is there? R, radius equals to 22, okay, 22. That implies here you see numericals are there 2. 22 by 7, it's also a constant, it is also a constant, it is also a constant. So here your problem is radius. You have to bring the radius first. So r equals to what will happen? 22. 7 is in divided form. You take it to right hand side, it will become into 7 divided by 2 into 22. 2 into 22. Okay. Now you see 22 and 22 will cancel each other. So equals to 7 divided by 2. So how much r came? R equals to 7 divided by 2 cm. Okay. But in the question it has said to bring the area. So no problem. Already we found out the radius. Now our question is to find out the area. So what is the formula for area of a circle? Area equals to, previously I have said you, area of this circle is pi r square equals to, how much is pi? 22 divided by 7, okay, into r square. Here r is your 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 square means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. Now you see what we will do. 7 and 7 will cancel each other. Here 2 into 11 is 22. Okay. 11 into 7 is 77 divided by 2. So therefore area equals to 77 divided by 2. It is in cm form. So area means how much? It should be in square form. So area equals to 77 divided by 2 cm square. Like this you have to find. Okay. So here you see, this is the next question. What is given in the question? You see, the circumference of a circle exceeds the diameter by 16.8 cm. What you have to find? The circumference of this circle. Okay. So let's see. First you see, the circumference exceeds the diameter. So what? Circumference. First you write circumference exceeds the diameter. That means minus exceeds means here diameter by how much? 16.8 cm. So equals to 16.8 cm. Okay. This is given in the question. What is asking in the question? You have to find the circumference. Okay. So here we have to find circumference. Okay. So let's see what you have to do. First you see you see this first. This is the main question. Okay. So you know the circumference formula of this circle. How much? Circumference is 2 pi r. Okay. Minus d. So here minus d is there. You can take the diameter to right hand side. So it will become plus d plus 16.8 cm. Okay. So that implies, here you see 2 pi r. 2 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into r equals to d is how much? 2r. So you see, d, instead of d what we have to write? 2r. Diameter equals to 2r plus 16.8. Okay. So that implies, here you see 2 into 22 is 44. 44 divided by 7. R is also there. So R equals to 2R plus 16.8. So 2R plus 16.8. Okay. Now you see. Here you see this constant is in radius form. This is also in radius form. So we can bring this 2 to one side. So 44 divided by 7r. 2r plus 2r is there. We have to bring it to left hand side. So it will become minus 2r equals to how much? 16.8 cm. Okay. Cm afterwards we will write. That implies what will happen, you see. Here LCM use your 7. 44r minus. Then nothing is there. So 1. 1 into 7 is 7. 7 into 2 is 14r equals to how much? 16.8. Okay. So that implies 44 minus 14 is 30. 30r divided by 7 equals to 16.8. Okay. Now what we have to find? Radius. Here you see 30 by 7 r equals to 16.8. So that implies r equals to 16.8 into 7 divided by 30. 16.8 into 7 divided by 30. Okay. So now you solve this one. So here you see 16.8. So 168 divided by 10. A decimal is there. So if we will open, it will become 168 divided by 10 into 7 into 30, 1 by 30. Okay, so what it will happen, you see, 2 8 16, 2 4 8, 2 5 10, 2 4 8, 2 2 4, 2 1 2, 2 5 10, 3 1 3, 3 4 12, 3 5 15. Okay, so 14 into 7 is 98. Okay, next, divided by 5 into 5 is 25. So 98 divided by 25. Now, so your radius is 98 divided by 25, but in question it's given to find out the circumference, right? So therefore, what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. Circumference equals to 2 pi r equals to 2 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into r is your 98 divided by 25. Okay, now you see what it will happen. 7 1 7, 7 4 28, again nothing will go. Now you see 2 into 22 is 44, 44 into 14, 616. Okay, 616 divided by 25. Okay, now you can do it as, so this is the diameter, 616 divided by 25. So circumference of the circle is 600 divided by 25 cm. Okay, so see, this is the next question. You see what is given in the question. Two circles are there. Okay, so their radius is 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. So here find the radius of this circle. Circle means another third number circle. You have to find the radius of third number circle, which circumference, whose circumference is equal to the sum of these two circles. Okay, so two circles are there. See, two circles are there. This is first circle, this is second circle. So it's given that the sum of the circumference of these two circles is equals to the circumference of another circle. Okay, so let's see what we have to do. So before going to circumference, first you have to know what are the radius. So here you see, given radius of first circle is equals to how much? 19 cm. So here you have to write 19 cm. Okay, then radius of second circle, is equals to how much? Given 9 cm, 9 cm. Another circle is there. What? We don't know about the radius of third circle. We have to find. So what we will take? So let's take, let the radius of third circle is equals to, we don't know the radius now, so we will take it as R3. Okay, so this is, which is equals to R1, this is equals to R2, and this is equals to R3. Okay, now radius is over. Now let's go to circumference. You have to know the circumference of three circles. So first, circumference of first circle is equals to how much? A normal circle circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, but here we have taken it as r1, so 2 pi r1. So here you take small r, r2, and this is r3. Okay, so 2 pi r1. Okay, equals to 2 pi, how much is R1? 19. So 2 pi 19 cm. Okay. Similarly, circumference of second circle is equals to how much? 2 pi, but radius will change. It is R2. So R2 equals to 2 pi. How much is R2? 9 cm. So here 9 cm. Okay. We don't know about R3. So let's go to question now. So according to question, here you see, find the radius of this circle, third circle. So you have to find circumference of third circle. Okay, this is your question. What is given? Which has circumference? Its circumference equals to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. So according to question, 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2, sum means what? Addition of these two circles is equals to circumference of third circle, whose circumference is how much? 2 pi r3. We have taken it as r3. So what it will happen, you see? So that implies here you see 2 pi is common here. So you have to take it as common. Inside what it will happen? r1 plus r2 equals to 2 pi r3. Okay. So that implies here you see 2 pi and 2 pi will cancel each other. So r1 plus r2 equals to r3. Right. So that implies how much is r1? r1 plus r2 equal to r3. 2 pi is already cancelled. r1 is our 19 plus r2 is 9 equals to r3, or we can write r3 equals to 19 plus 9 equals to 28 cm. So therefore circumference of third circle is equals to 28 cm. Okay, like this you have to find it. So let's come to next question. Here you see what is given. The radii of two circles are given. Those are 8 cm and 6 cm. You have to find the radius of the third circle, whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of the first two circles. Okay. So first we have to know the radius of these three circles now to find out the area of those circles. So first what you have to do, let the radius of first circle is equals to, let it be r1. Okay. Next, so r1 how much given? 8 cm. Radius is already given of first circle. Next, so the radius of first circle is 8 cm. Next, the radius of second circle, is equals to r2 we will take, which is 6 cm. So r2 is 6 cm. But you have to find the radius of third circle. We don't know the radius of third circle now. What we will take? Let the radius of third circle is equals to r3. Okay. Now here circumference is not given. Here you see area is given. So we have to find the areas of this circle. Okay. So area of first circle is equals to pi r square. Normal circle area is pi r square. Here we have taken radius as r1, so it will become pi r1 square equals to pi r1 is 8 cm, so 8 square. Okay. Next, area of second circle is equals to pi r2 square equals to pi r2 is how much? 6 cm, so 6 square. Okay, now you have to find the area of third circle. So here we have to find area of third circle. Okay, so here you see, now come to the question. According to question, the third circle area, that means area of third circle is how much? Pi r3 square. We have taken as r3 now. So pi r3 square area of third circle is equal to the sum of the areas of these two circles. How much? Pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Sum means what? Addition. Pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Okay, now you see. So that implies pi r3 square equals to, here pi is common, you take pi as common, inside r1 square plus r2 square. Okay, so that implies here pi and pi will cancel each other. So r3 square equals to r1 square plus r2 square. So that implies r3 square equals to, here you see what it will happen. r1 square means 8 square plus r2 square means 6 square. Okay, so that implies r3 square equals to 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36. Okay, so that implies r square equals to 100. Okay, 64 plus 36 is 100. So that implies r3 we have to find. So r3 equals to, square will come this side, so it will become root over 100 cm. So that implies r3 equals to square root of 100 is 10 now. So r3 is 10 cm. Okay, so the radius of third circle is 10 cm. So what you will write here? Radius of third circle which is 10 cm. Okay, like this you have to find. So here you see, our next question is the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. So a car is there. Okay, so the wheels of the car, each wheel is of diameter 80 centimeter. So here your diameter is 80 centimeter. It said you how many complete revolutions does each wheel will make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour. So here is asking about complete revolution, means the wheel will move. Revolution means what? The wheel will move. So you have to find the circumference. Okay, so what is given? You first see given. So wheel of a car is circle, so diameter is given how much? 80 cm. Okay, what you have to find? Circumference. Okay, so here your question is circumference. Okay, so can you say me what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. No worry about 2 and pi, but you have to know the radius first. We know the diameter, but we don't have any idea about radius. So let's find radius from diameter. So if diameter is 80 cm, d equals to 2r. I have said you diameter equals to 2 into radius. So here you have to find radius. So what will be the formula for radius? D divided by 2, diameter divided by 2. This is the formula of radius. So here you see, so that implies radius equals to, diameter is given 80 divided by 2. Okay, so that implies radius equals to 2 into 40 is 80. So radius is 40 cm. Okay, now you can easily find out the circumference. Therefore circumference equals to, circumference of the whose circumference? Wheel of the car. Circumference of the wheel of the car is equals to how much? 2 into pi into r. So equals to 2 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into r is how much? 40. 40. Okay. Now multiply. 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 4. 1760 divided by 7. Okay. So 7 into 2 is 14. 3 6 7 5 35. 7 1 7 3 0 7 4 28. 251.4 cm. This is the circumference of the wheel of the car. Okay. So see, this is the next question. Very easy question. It's given to find the circumference and area of this circle whose radius is already given to you. It is 8.4 cm. It's very easy question, but let's start from the beginning. That's why we will solve this question. You see, what is given? Given radius equals to how much? 8.4 cm. Okay. You have to find circumference as well as area of this circle. So first of all, let's see this circumference. So circumference formula of circle is circumference equals to 2 into pi into r. We know this equals to 2 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into radius is how much? 8.4. So 8.4. Okay. So equals to, you see, 2 into 22 divided by 7. You can make it fraction or you can cut like this also, but we will make it as fraction for easiest form. 84 divided by 10, 8.4. If we will convert into fraction, 84 divided by 10, so equals to, you cut 7 1 7 7 2 14. Okay, then 2 5 10. Okay, now 22 into 12, 264. So 22 into 12 is 264 divided 5. Okay. So how much it will come? 5 5 5 to 10 5 8 40, 52.8 cm. So your circumference is 52.8 cm. Now we have to find the area of this circle. So area equals to, what is the formula for area? Pi r square. Pi r square. So pi is 22 divided by 7, okay, into r square. Here r is 8.4, 8.4 square, okay. So equals to 22 divided by 7 into 84 divided by 10 into 84 divided by 10 square na. That's why radius square. So you cut 7 1 7 to 14. Next 2 6 12, 2 5 10, 2 1 2, 2 1 2, 2 5 10. Okay. Next we can't cut. Now you do multiply. 11 into 6 is 66. 66 into 84. 5544. Okay. 5544 divided by 5 into 5 is 25. 25. So you see 25 to 50, 5 4. 25 to 50, 4 4. 25 1 25. Next 9 19. So 190. 25 7. Okay. So 221.7 cm square. Okay. This is the area of this circle. Like this you have to do if radius is given and if it is asking about circumference and area. Okay. So here you see your question is you have to find the area of quadrant of a circle, okay, whose circumference is 22 cm. So first of all you might have thinking that what is the formula for quadrant of a circle. So first you see area of quadrant of a circle is equals to 1 divided by 4 pi r square. This is the formula for quadrant of a circle. So here you see what is quadrant of a circle first. This is the circle. Here you see two radius. This is one radius, again this is one radius. So between the two radius, what this area will come, it is called as quadrant, okay, or you can say it as sector, okay. So this is the minor sector and this one is the major sector, okay. Quadrant is otherwise called as sector, and the formula for area of quadrant or sector of a circle is equals to 1 divided by 4 pi r square. Now let's come to the point. Circumference is already given, so you will write given circumference is equals to how much? 22 cm, okay. So you know area of quadrant of circle is 1 by 4 pi r square. So area of quadrant of a circle is equals to 1 by 4 pi r square equals to 1 by 4 into pi means 22 divided by 7 value into r square. So here you see first you find out the circumference. 2 pi r equals to 22, okay. So 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r equals to 22. Here you have to find radius. Radius equals to 22 into 7 divided by 22 into 2. 22 and 22 will cancel each other. So that implies r equals to 7 divided by 2 cm, okay. So we got the value of r which is 7 by 2 cm. So here instead of r what we will write? 7 by 2 square. R square is there now. So 7 by 2 whole square. So what it will happen? 1 divided by 4 into 22 by 7 into here 7 by 2 square is there into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, okay. So equals to, you see here 7 and 7 will cancel each other. 2 to 4 to 11 22, okay. Now 11 into 7 is 77 divided by 2 into 2 4 into 2 is 8. 77 divided by 8. So 8 8 60, 8 9 72, 50, 8 6 48, 20 8 2 16. So 9.62 cm square. This is the value of area of the quadrant of the circle. So you see this is the next question. You see first what is the question? One wheel is there. The diameter of the wheel is 84 centimeter. So you have to find how many complete revolutions must the wheel take to cover how many meters? 792 meter. So let's come to the question first. Given, what is given you first see? Given diameter equals to 84 centimeter. So in previous question I have said you how many complete revolutions means in questions it has asked complete revolution means what? For rotating. So complete circle. So means you have to find the circumference of this circle. Okay. So here, so for finding the circumference, its formula is 2 pi r. You need to find the radius first. So here diameter is given 84 centimeter. We know the relationship between diameter and radius. It is d equals to 2r, right? So that implies how much will be the radius? D divided by 2. So that implies r equals to d is 84 divided by 2. So that implies r equals to 248, 224, 42 centimeter. So radius is 42 centimeter. Now what you have to find, how many complete revolutions? So leave about 792 meter. So first we have to find for one revolution. So for what you have to find? Circumference. Okay. So for that you have to find this circumference. Its formula is 2 pi r. So 2 into pi is 22 divided by 7. Here radius we have found out 42. So equals to how much it will happen? You see 7 into 6 is 42. Yes. 2 into 22, 44 into 6 is 264. 264 cm. Okay. Now you see 264 centimeter, but in question you can see it's given in meters. You have to convert the circumference in meter first. So equals to 264, 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So to convert into meter, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 100. So how much it will come? 2.64 meter. Okay. So you find out the radius, then you find out the circumference. So what you will write? To complete one revolution, it takes, for one revolution it will cover 2.64 meter for one complete revolution. So how many complete revolution it will take to cover 792 meter? So for covering 792 meter, number of revolutions wheel max is equals to how much is given in the questions to cover 792 meter. So 792 divided, for one complete revolution how much it will take? 2.64 meter. So 2.64. Okay. Now 792 divided by, you convert it into fraction, you convert decimal into fraction, 264 divided by 100. Okay. So equals to 792 into 100 divided by 264. Okay. Now you cut 212, 236, 224, 236, 2918, 2612, 2612, 2612, 212, 2918, 2816, 236, 236, 2918, 2918, 313, 313, 339, 339, 11333. So 3 into 100 is 300. We will write it in meter. So you are finding here number of revolutions. So it will make 300 revolutions to cover 792 meters. Okay. So you see, this is the next question. What is given? A race track is there. Okay. So is in the form of a ring. It is in the form of a ring. You see here two rings are there. One is inner one and the one is outer ring. Inner and outer ring. Okay. So inner circumference is 352 meter and outer circumference is 396 meter. So before going into this circumference, first you have to be a complete idea on radius. So you see here I have written inner radius is small r and outer radius is capital R. So first what you have to do? Let the radii of inner and outer circles are how much? Small r and capital R respectively. Okay, first you have to take the radius of two circles. What I have taken? Inner circle radius is smaller and outer circle radius is capital R. Now you can easily find out the circumference. So what it will happen? Circumference of inner circle equals to how much? 2 pi smaller. Similarly, circumference of outer circle equals to how much? 2 pi small, capital R. Inner circle circumference is 2 pi smaller and outer circle circumference is 2 pi capital R. Over. Now, according to question, what is given is in the form of a ring whose inner circumference is given 352 meter. Inner circumference is how much? 2 pi smaller. So 2 pi smaller equals to 352 meter. Now you find, so that implies 2 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into small r equals to 352. So that implies 44, 2 into 2 is 44 divided by 7r equals to 352. So that implies small r equals to 352 into 7 divided by 44 into 7 divided by 44. Okay, how much it will come? 212, 27 14, 26 12, 224, 224, 212, 212, 28 16, 28 16, 11 8 88. So 7 8 is 56. So that implies r equals to how much? 56 meter. In question meter is given, so small r is 56 meter. Now let's come to next. And outer circumference is 396 meter. So outer circumference is 2 pi capital R. So 2 pi capital R equals to how much? 396 meter. Okay. So that implies 2 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into capital R equals to 396. So that implies you have to find 2 into 22 how much? 44 divided by 7 R equals to 396. So that implies capital R equals to how much? 396 into 7 divided by 44. 396 into 7 divided by 44. 2 to 4, 2 to 4, 2 1 2 2, 9 18, 2 8 16, 2 1 2 2 1 2, 2 9 18, 2 9 18, 11 9 99, 9 7 63. So that implies R, capital R equals to 63 meter. Okay. Now over. Question is over. Now what you have to find? You have to find the width of the track. Okay. You have to find the width of the track. So finding the width of any track is, formula is capital R minus small r. Okay. So therefore what you have to write? The width of the track is equals to capital R minus small r. The formula for finding the width is capital R minus small r. Okay. Or you can say external radius minus internal radius. So capital R is 63 minus small r is 56. 7 meter. So therefore the width of the track is 7 meter. Okay.